Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Air Jordan 1 by Nike's Jordan brand. These released on Saturday the 17th of August 2019 and I picked these up at N, shout out to them for the raffle win, for the retail price of £135. Here comes your black Jordan 1 box with red Nike branding at the lid and sides. The shoes come with brown Jumpman embossed shoe inserts, and I would have liked the extra set of laces, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the women's Air Jordan 1 Satin in the black toe colorway. Like its name suggests, it features a satin material that's used at the heel and black padded sock liner. The rest is made up of a black and white leather, while the tongue uses a white padded nylon and a black Nike Air branding at the tongue tab. Instead of being embroidered as seen on last year's satin shattered backboards, you might want to check out my video, shameless plug. This one features a black metallic wings logo that sits at the collar. All of this sits on a white midsole with a red outsole. The satin has a smooth yet rippled texture. The varsity red really pops with a mild shine. The leather use feels pretty decent too. It's not as soft as the leather used on the recent Travis Scott or Spider-Man Jordan 1s, but it does feel like a step up to the regular synthetic leather used on Jordan 1s. So the question is this worth it? I have to sit on the fence with these. It's definitely worth the retail price of £135. I understand that these are limited and it is a classic colorway, but that £600 plus resale price point definitely is more than I'll be willing to pay for these shoes. It's a great shoe, but damn, I didn't expect this to have so much hype. Since these were a ladies' shoe, they didn't make my big UK 10.5 or 11, so I managed to get my friend Martina to model these, so please show her some love in her Instagram. Sizing wise, I will stay true to size as this UK 6 matches the same length and proportions of the UK 6 men's. And here are my thoughts on the shoe. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment Satin to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all relevant links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.